I hope all of y'all had a great weekend. If you recall, on Friday we started talking about similes and metaphors, but today we're actually going to go in depth. So if you could please open the Word document titled Similes that I emailed you and read the first box, and then resume play on the video, I would really appreciate it. Similes are useful literary elements because they compare two objects. Say you didn't know what a coat was, but comparing it to how soft the lamb's wool is, you know that the coat was very soft, like the example that you just read. There are two types of similes. One uses like and the other uses as. There are two patterns. I would like you to open up your Word document again and take a look at two of those patterns so you're familiar with them before I start to explain it, and then resume the video. The first pattern that your worksheet discusses is the verb plus like plus noun pattern. For example, she swims like a fish. That would be under the first pattern. She swims is the verb, like, and then noun is a fish. So saying she swims like a fish is basically saying that she's a good swimmer, because all fish are good swimmers, because that's what they do all day. I would like you now to open up a Word document and title it Similes, and please put your name on it as well, and write two similes using the verb plus like plus noun pattern, and then resume the video. Remember that you can always look back on your worksheet and check your examples with the worksheet's examples. So now we're going to look at pattern 2, which is as plus adjective plus as plus noun pattern. For example, he is as tall as a giant. He is as plus tall, which would be your adjective, plus as plus your noun, which is a giant. This sentence is saying that this boy that they're talking about is very, very tall. Now remember, similes are used to make writing more exciting. You could always just say, the boy was really tall. But saying he is as tall as a giant gives you more of a visual and makes the sentence a little bit more exciting. So now I want you to take a few minutes and write two examples of the as plus adjective plus as plus noun pattern, and then resume the video. Now that we're finished practicing writing our own similes, I want you guys to pick one of your favorite similes you wrote for pattern 1 and one of your favorite similes you wrote for pattern 2 and illustrate both. Draw a picture of whichever two similes you choose, and then I want you to scan them and email them back to me, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.